Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming ownership and access. Make sure you can sign into the Google account tied to the phone. Once done, plug the phone to power and open a laptop browser. This establishes a stable recovery environment. Make sure Find My Device or Device admin was enabled on the phone beforehand, because the following remote tools depend on that. If USB debugging was already enabled earlier, that opens additional legitimate recovery options, but proceed only on devices you own and control. On your laptop, sign into Find My Device and let it locate the phone. This lets you ring, lock, or erase the device. Use Remote Lock to set a temporary PIN if the option appears. This can replace the pattern and let you regain access without data loss. If USB debugging was enabled before you were locked out, connect the phone to the laptop to back up media and documents before any destructive step. These methods preserve data when pre-existing settings permit them. If remote unlock or backup was not possible, a factory reset via the phone recovery will remove the pattern but also erase data, so make sure you've exhausted non-destructive options. Once reset, sign back into your Google account to restore available cloud backups. If anything goes wrong, contact the device maker or your carrier and be ready to prove ownership. They can provide official, lawful recovery assistance. If needed, visit an authorized service center with ID and purchase proof.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.